Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else so more people can see it. This is sad news. Honestly, this is something that it was a good thing for South Africa. It was a good thing for South Africans who come from disadvantaged backgrounds, and we know we have a lot of those in South Africa. But now it is reported that the Oprah Winfrey School is closing its doors next year. The school opened in 2007 on the 2nd of January, and it is reported that since its opening, it has helped 1,000 students graduate or rather pass matric and go to university and become doctors, lawyers, actresses. One actor that I can think of that I actually know is Sihle Ndaba, yeah. She was on Gomorrah and many other shows that are big, and she was doing big roles. It is quite sad because I know like 2 or 3 people that were planning to apply for next year to the school, but then it seems the school is closing next year, so whoever is doing matric next year will be the last matriculant for the Oprah Winfrey School. I'm sure they're gonna do a big closing ceremony of some sort. I remember the opening ceremony. There was Tina Turner, there was Mariah Carey and Chris Rock and many others that were there during the opening ceremony. So I can imagine and only hope that the closing ceremony will be there as well, just to close down the doors and to sort of like appreciate or remember or look back to what it was. I don't understand why it is closing. Reports are saying, the ones that I saw at least, they're saying that it was the initial agreement that the school would close in 2027. I don't know why, it doesn't say why, but they did say it's not because of mismanagement of funds. And yeah, it is sad, honestly, but it has produced many people that, according to the reports, have become things that they would not have become, most likely because of the backgrounds they were coming from, because the people that were in that school, the girls that were in that school, were coming from very disadvantaged backgrounds, so most of them would not have gotten the opportunities that Oprah gave them. So we appreciate her for that, and good luck to the girls that are going to get scholarships, the ones that are currently there but are not going to matric next year. They are apparently gonna get scholarships to go to different schools and still continue their education. So yeah, big up to them. Do you know anyone who went to the Oprah Winfrey School and became somebody, whether it's a doctor or a nurse or whatever, that you know? Or do you not know anyone? Because I mean, as much as some people might not care, what Oprah did for South African girls was very big, and she sort of helped a lot of parents as well. So for that, I'll pick her up and I will put a crown on her for that specific thing. As long as the girls are saying everything, because all of them are saying everything in that school was rosy, so why would not praise someone who helped so many young girls who could not have otherwise gotten the kind of opportunities she afforded them? Let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next video.